Hello, tutor and classmate. This is my travel itinerary. Do you know why Caño Cristales is one of the best tourist destinations in Colombia? If you are a lover of nature, animals, and colors, this is your best choice. The trip lasts 2 days and 1 night, where you can explore nature, lagoons, birds, and most importantly, be at peace with yourself and with everything around you. During the trip, we offer you the means of transportation that you need according to the need. We have transport agreements with boats, canoes, and 4x4 trucks. On the first day after the trip, you want your destination to La Macarena in the department of the Meta. We will settle in the hotel. We went We went on a 30-minute trip through the mountains in 4x4 truck where you can observe nature, birds, and the diversity of colors. The next day, very early, we embark on a 40-minute walk to get in touch with nature towards Caño Cristales, the main attraction of the trip, where during the day you can enjoy the different rivers of the region, its colors, its natural waterfalls, and its beautiful sunset. After dinner, at the hotel, we will have an integration full of fun, dance, and music in the which you can share a pleasant time with your family and full of hospitality. The return plane awaits us at 10 p.m. We have Allianz with the only hotel in the area that allow you to reach Caño Cristales in just 20 minutes by boat, a natural ecology, rustic but well balanced landing where you will find what you need to spend the best days of your vacation. The typical foods in the area it's the mamona, fruits and vegetables, cooked crawl, kitchen, and fish. The cost of package, the cost of package that include hotel stay, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, transportation by plane, canoe, boat, and truck, travel insurance, personalized guide, and taxes. His priced at 471 cup or $97 75 cents per person. Thank you.